Good morning, one and all. My name is Danny Abraham of S1 S2B, roll number 14, and I'm here to present my final jury sheets for the first year. The project that was assigned to us was designing a flower kiosk. This is the introduction sheet which briefly describes my design and also shows the requirements and the content. The standards and the measurements were studied in detail for further use in the design. The literature case study done by me first was Mercer Stevens, which is located in London. The plan is such that it expands when it is open. Second, Caladium, which is located in Spain. The concept is that is the use of wooden ladders as furniture and which also supports the orchids. Third, 37 Degree White, which is located in London. The plan uses more of squares and the white color for enhancing its aesthetic beauty. The live case study done by me was High Range Flora, which is located in this district of Ernakulam. This is the site plan, the views. The plan is a single roomed plan which is distributed in different spaces for different functions, namely reception, preparation, packing, display, and storage on the second floor. These are the different facilities provided by the shop. The bubble diagram. Area statement is done so as to get an idea of the optimum value or area of different rooms in the flower shop. Moving on to the site study. The site area that was provided was 300 meters square, which is also 7.8 cents. These are the views to and from the site, the site section. My design depends more on the sun path and the existing trees on the site. The existing trees were more jackfruit trees which have larger coverage area which provide more shade to the site. The concept. My concept is divided into two. First, the form based, second, the function based. Moving on to the form based, my basic plan is a circular plan which is abstracted from a native rose. This is the four steps how the final plan is evolved. The voids are created, extensions are added, which leads to the final plan. My final plan is not a single structure, rather it's four different structures which represent different rooms. The central part is the discussion area which have three pathways leading to different rooms. This this area is the rose garden which represents the stamen of the native rose. Moving on to the function based, my roof is a sloping green roof which extends the life of the roof and also decreases the temperature inside the room. Secondly, rainwater harvesting, which is installed on the central structure of the building, which is the discussion area. The gutters are installed which collect the water and lead it to the collecting tank. Third is transparency. 50 percentage of the building wall is made up of glass which is installed in a spider fitting. The views from the discussion are allowed to different parts of the building, which is the display, the reception, and the outer environment of the building. The height of the discussion area is less than compared to the surrounding buildings, so as to restrict excessive direct sunlight to the glass, which will increase the heat. Site zoning is done according to the sun path and the existing trees. According to that, the parking and the seating area, exterior seating area is allotted. The bubble diagrams to show the circulation. This is the development of form. Uh, this is how the final design is approached. This shows the role played by sunlight, which contributes the lighting inside the building. This is the air circulation inside. The water body on the back side of the building contributes to the lighting inside the building. It reflects the sunlight inside the building, and also the water body contributes to the cool air that circulates inside the building. These are the block models. Moving on to the site, maximum area of the site is covered in cement interlock tiling. As said, the green roof is sloping, and also the glass dome. This is the pedestal entry, the vehicular entry, and this is the vehicular exit or the service entry. Moving on to the floor plan. This is the entry of the floor plan leading to the reception. Maximum furniture of the building is done in wood. The for reception table is done in wood and glass. The area of the reception is 6 meters square. From the reception, the way leads to the display, which is 20 meters square. The ceiling and the roof of the display is done in wood. From the display, the pathway leads to the discussion area. The table and the furniture is also done in wood. The discussion area has three pathways which lead to the different rooms of the building. This is the back entry or the service entry for unloading and uploading. Moving on to the section AA dash, which shows the reception details. This is the false ceiling. This is the entry of the display area. The pathway railing is done in bamboo. The glass dome. As we can see, the water body are divided into two, which are at the same level but have different heights. The second section BB dash, which shows the details of the display. The furniture is done in wood. This is the pathway which leads from the discussion to the toilet. The two opposite walls of the toilet are done in wood. These are the elevations. The circular exterior walls are done in bricks, and the extension that was created is done in wood. These are the interior views. The toilet. This is the reception. This is the wooden false ceiling. The circular discussion. The display section. The display detail. Both the ceiling and the roof is done in wood. This is the storage. Moving on to the exterior views, this is the bird's eye view which shows the roof of the structure. This is the normal human view which shows the entry point of the building and the parking. Moving on to the the main detail that is to be explained is the water harvesting setup, which is supported by the discussion area. Gutters are installed which collect the water and lead it to the collecting tank, through which the water is led to the stormwater tank, which drains out the unnecessary water and filters the water for use. These are the glass sliding doors and walls detail. As said before, there are glass walls installed in the building, which is connected by spider fitting. These are the photos of the final model, which shows the green roofing. The circular building is surrounded by rows, which also contributes to the concept. This is the glass display of the reception. The back side of the building, the roof detail, the water detail, the circular dome, the display from outside. This is the open top interiors. This is the open top plan which is shown, and this is the entry point. Thank you.